When you have a fraction that has an imaginary number in the bottom, like we have here, 5i or 2i, that's considered not great. And we want to rearrange that so there's no more imaginary number in the bottom. And then we can, with more confidence, say this is the real part of our complex number and this is the imaginary part. See, right now we can't really say that. I can't write this as a plus bi. I want to get it into something a little easier, and the way to do that is by multiplying by a crazy 1. Rationalizing. Rationalizing is your clue. That's usually multiplying by a crazy 1 of some kind. Well, what do you have to multiply by to get rid of that I in the bottom? Try this. Try multiplying this fraction by a crazy 1, I over I. What is I over I? It's like anything divided by itself. It's just 1. Okay, this one may be more crazy than what you're used to dealing with, but treat it the same as any other crazy one. What do we get? Negative 5i on top, and on bottom, we get 2i squared. Well, what's I squared? That's just negative. So this becomes negative 5i over negative 2, or 5i over 2. There you go, that's your answer. Let's try this one, just to make sure we get it. 2 plus I divided by 5i. Well, to get rid of the I on the bottom, I'm going to multiply by I over I. That's my crazy 1. And what do we get? On the top, remember to distribute the multiplication here. You get 2i plus I squared over 5i squared. Well, the I squareds go away. Those are just negative 1s. So this becomes 2i minus 1 on top and negative 5 on bottom. And you can simplify this if you want, but this is the important part. We've gotten rid of the I on the denominator. This is now considered rationalized.